Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome stable version on Oracle Linux. See, the default browser comes with Oracle Linux is Firefox. So open it, then go to Google, then download Chrome, hit enter, then click on this, the fast and secure web browser, then click on download Chrome. See, for Oracle Linux or RHEL, we have to select this .rpm package. So select this one and click on accept and install. Once you selected, see download started. See here its size is 112 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the Google Chrome stable current version .rpm package. So install it, sudo rpm -ivh, then give Google, give the tab to autofill entire rpm package. Hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we got the error, liberation funds is needed for Google Chrome. Okay, so if you don't want this font, you can just give Ctrl L, then give after IVH, give the space node -- node depths. Hit enter, give the space, hit enter, which means node dependencies. See, now it is installing Google Chrome stable version, that is 134. Okay, we have successfully installed. Go to activities, show applications. See here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it. In meantime, ls, this file is not required anymore. rm, give the Google, give the tab, hit enter, ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, now see here the pop-up. If you want to make Google Chrome as default browser, we have to select the checkbox. If you want to send automatic usage statistics and cross reports to Google automatically, you have to select these checkboxes. I don't want either of them. It is up to you. Unselect and click on OK. Don't sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome application. Okay, so we have successfully installed Google Chrome on Oracle Linux. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.